Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Shooting this vid with the iPhone 11 1080p 60 frames per second. I am not mic'd in, so let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. Clearly white Google Pixel 4 XL here on MP13. The reviewing process begins hopefully tomorrow morning. If not, it'll be the day after that. I have a couple vids to get out of the way, and if I can do that, if I can manage my time well, then yeah, the reviewing process will begin tomorrow. I am excited, stoked to share the reviewing process with all of you, and hopefully I can give you something that, well, no other YouTuber has been able to give you yet. In this video, we're gonna do a tempered glass screen protector install. Purchased these over at Amazon. I just picked these out and brought them in, $7.99 for Google, for the Google Pixel 4 XL screen protector, 2-pack, premium clear tempered glass screen protector, anti-scratch film for your Google Pixel 4 XL, $7.99. Now, if these tempered glass screen protectors work out in this video, I will leave a link down below in the description. If they don't, then you will not get that link. Initially, I was going to go for the oh so orange, but so many of you have that color. Like 90% of you out there in YouTube land. So I went with a clearly white, and well, let me show you something here. I got the oh so orange power button. That's a beautiful looking device. Feels really, really good in hand. Feels very solid. Love that matte back finish. And if I want orange, I can purchase a skin. So what we're gonna do right now is get this tempered glass screen protector on my Google Pixel 4 XL, and then hopefully I can get to a case video as well so I can begin that reviewing process tomorrow morning. If I can't get to that case video, then it's going to begin the day after. So let's do this. And hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing during the intro part of this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn off my Google Pixel 4 XL because it's going to be a lot easier. $7.99. You get two of them. So if I screw one up, I got to stand up for this too. I don't use the dust absorbers, but if you've never done this, I would suggest that you do that. You get a dry pad here. I don't use that either. I use the alcohol pad so I can wipe it down. Well, maybe I will use the dry pad. Maybe I will. Just hang in there with me, man. Have patience. Again, I appreciate your time. I'm going to be challenging my Google Pixel 4 XL clearly white up against my OnePlus 7 Pro and my iPhone 11. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is no longer here. I sold that device. Shout out to the gentleman who bought it. Hopefully he enjoys it as much as I did. It's a powerhouse device. Great smartphone. Okay. Clean it off really well. It's probably already clean. But man, I am very picky when it comes to this process. Okay. This is full coverage, a full coverage tempered glass screen protector. So I'll be laying it down. It will adhere to the display. Well, it should. And then we'll see how it does. There's the speaker. It might be a little bit off. Man, it did adhere to it really quick. Yeah, it's off. So we're going to have to peel it back up. This is how you know if you got a really good screen protector, especially tempered glass. If you have to pull them back up and do it again, and they still get the job done without losing the integrity of what it's supposed to do, then you got yourself a good one. Well, it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. Get those bubbles out. Probably could have gone a little bit over there, so I'm going to have to lift it up again. Told you, man. It adheres very nicely. All right. Everything looks great. The cutouts should be precise for the sensors there. That radar chip, that Soli radar chip for that motion gestures. I'll be trying that out later. I'm not going to do that in this video. You got your speaker doubling up there with your earpiece, and down below you have your speaker there as well. I'm going to assume that is not a speaker and a mic, but I could be wrong. We have a mic right there. And on the back, we have those two 12 megapixel shooters, regular wide and telephoto, no ultra wide. Yes, I'm still disappointed, but it is what it is. I know I'm going to get great quality pictures. The video is really the area that I want to test out. So we'll go ahead and turn on my Google Pixel 4 XL once again, the clearly white. And that's it. So right now, the tempered glass screen protector doing its job. I will leave a link down below in the description area. Let me know what you would like to see during the reviewing process. It's a great looking device. Totally digging it. Face unlock. First, I have to enter my code to start everything here. And then there we go. So what I'm going to do is turn off the display. And then I'm going to see how quick the face unlock works. Ready, set, go. Bam, that was quick. Ready, set, go. Bam. Let's get a look at the settings area really quick before I check out. Display. Brightness at 69. Dark theme. Yeah, I want the dark theme. And 30 seconds of screen timeout. No, I want 30 minutes. Screen rotate. Colors. Adaptive. Yes. And smooth display on. Improved touch responsiveness and smoother animations. And that is the 90 hertz. Okay, so we're going to leave it on 90 hertz. And that's all I'm going to check out. So yeah, 90 hertz refresh rate should be amazing. Should be really just velvety smooth. Velvety smooth. Man, yeah, I'm really looking. Look at that. Oh, man. Yeah, even with that tempered glass screen protector. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to take a quick picture. All right. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. Okay. And then I'm going to take a selfie because I want to make sure that those cutouts, are precise. So make sure they're not going to interfere with the quality of the camera on the front. And everything looking good. No shadowing whatsoever from those cutouts. Okay, that's it, man. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, wireless charging? Okay. Now, bam. Blue light came on. Bam. Okay. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. I am out.